ideal drilling machine for electric hazard situation. BDS Maschinen. Presenting the brand new pneumatic magnetic core drilling machine AIRMAB 5000. Weighing just 17.5 kilograms and equipped with a permanent magnet, the special purpose drilling machine AIRMAB 5000 is a pneumatic driven drilling machine. Up to 35mm core drilling with annular cutters. Up to 55mm cutting depth. Simply better drilling. Equipped with an easy-to-use strong permanent magnet with Morse taper MT2 and quick change drill chuck, 160mm long stroke, high performance 830 watts motor, delivering 27 Nm nominal torque, motor approved according to ATEX X-Class. The AIRMAB 5000 special purpose pneumatic magnetic core drilling machine. From BDS Maschinen, Germany.